Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young shepherd boy who was tasked with watching over the village's flock of sheep. Every day, he would take the sheep to a hill near the village and spend the day there, ensuring they were safe from harm. The boy often felt bored and lonely on the hill, so one day, he decided to play a trick on the villagers. He ran down to the village, shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf attacking the sheep."
The villagers, alarmed, grabbed their tools and rushed up the hill to help the boy. But when they arrived, they found no wolf. The boy laughed at them, enjoying the sight of their worried faces. "It was just a joke," he said.
The villagers were annoyed but returned to their work, warning the boy not to cry wolf again unless there was a real danger. However, the boy found the whole situation so amusing that he repeated the prank a few days later. Again, the villagers rushed to the hill, only to find there was no wolf. The boy laughed even harder this time, and the villagers were angrier than before. Then, one day, a real wolf did come. Seeing the wolf approaching the flock, the boy panicked and ran to the village, screaming, "Wolf! Wolf! There's really a wolf this time."
But this time, the villagers, tired of being fooled, did not believe him. They thought it was another false alarm and ignored his cries. The boy continued to shout for help, but no one came to his aid. The wolf attacked the flock, and many sheep were lost.
The boy learned a hard lesson that day. If you lie and play tricks on people, they won't believe you when you're telling the truth. From then on, the boy never cried wolf again, and he regained the trust of the villagers by being honest and responsible. The moral of the story is clear: honesty is always the best policy, and trust, once broken, is hard to rebuild.